לתאר את השם שלנו, שהוצאנו.
אפשר לחשוב שמשהו כזה חשוב יהיה גדול יותר.
טוב, זה גם עניין של מיקום.
Inscription was found a little over a meter below street level. Its size is 1.14 by 80 centimeters. Its level of preservation is truly amazing considering that there was a lot of groundwork and infrastructure very nearby. The uniqueness of this inscription is it mentions Justinian, the emperor of the Byzantine Empire almost 1500 years ago, the most powerful man of his era. It shows us that he took personal interest in pilgrimage in Jerusalem. It shows us how important Jerusalem was to the entire Christian world at the time, and that the person who was the head of the most important church inside Jerusalem had jurisdiction over building hotels and hostels outside the walls also for the use of pilgrims. And saw that it was the bottom left corner of the inscription itself. I saw the remains of about a letter and a half.
מנזרים יכול להיות שיש כתובות בכניסה, אבל בדרך כלל, כן, אבל הוא אומר מטר לכיוון זה ושם לא, אפילו אם יש...
בכל מקרה, ברבע שעה הקרובה הייתי יבש עוד פעם.